What's going on, everybody? This is Mr. Satin 007 working on my SL500 R129 seat removal. I'm working on the passenger side. I'm just going to give you some highlights of where I've been so far. I'm going to move the seat forward. So in seat removal, we're going to have to remove some torque. So I'm using my T40. You're going to go one right here, one right here. Going to turn around. This is the passenger side. So this is one right here, one right here. I think there's one right here as well. Yep, there's one right there. Luckily, I went on to look at a video to get an understanding, because right now I have a seat. It's moving, but it's not coming out. So apparently this has been removed before, because the seats were changed, as you can tell, a long time ago. So I'm going to be going to this side. I got to move this back to remove the cushion. Alright, so I moved it back. And what you need to do also is remove, there's two screws in the front where you're going to have to unlock this here. You see that? So you'll be able to, let me see if I can put the light on. So you'll be able to take off the cushion. So you see this? And here you're going to have to unscrew that. And then you're going to have to do the other side on the passenger. Close to the center. You have to unscrew this side as well, and you'll be able to pop off the seat itself. It's pretty tough, so I'm going to use a better Phillips